December festive holiday experience. Fair Play Entertainment Center. Benjini Kuvi. Yo, wana yoinga. Lamulazi 1 December. Ujena Demchuda. 2 December. Inoso. 8 December. MC. Na Mizofil. 9 December. Sam D. 15 December. Oskambo. Holiday 16 December. Rachakil. Na Goosebump Banana. 22 December. DJ Stoki. 23 December, JR Player, na Asati. 24 December, Black Motion. 29 December, Kamumpela. 30 December, Team and Express. 31 December, the last test. Na Rofi wa Manyaka. Rosa Muhangwa. Ramafana Zashi was Diferera. Kama Buketa Fura. Kaka 081 875 5840. Rifwana Munoshika Sonaha.
I was going to say this one. But then you was
What the internship? It's giving training.
Nella Patti, I make who's this guy? Who's this guy behind the camera?
Hey. Have you been watching Have you been somewhere?
Yeah, so hi guys, welcome to another episode of the Black Couch Diaries. Yeah, so we're on to the next.
We just have to say yeah, welcome back. I think we need to get to the point where we stop counting episodes.
Yeah, we should.
Yeah,
no, like around the episode.
Yeah, we just started.
Yeah. Okay, so we're coming at you live from Lens Hub Studios, Chiwana, Newtown, 66 Car Street, and right as well, the photography. There's a picture here for Diwana Wafa. Oh, I'm not going to
yeah, I don't know why you always listen to me. That go joke and Jen Baloney. I don't know why you did that.
But it's given 9 months.
No, that looked like a 6.
Yeah, so if you want to contact them for, Ubuka Studio, and then okay, we want to do podcast also. Can you go to
look at defining love.
Define love in my video. Exactly.
Or like if they want like pictures, because we know a photo shoot.
Yeah. But then a green screen. You need to buy even to afford that.
Yeah, you know.
So all those
also, it's very comfortable because we have a sofa.
Who's this guy?
I need to wait.
Guys, we have so many new people in the house.
But anyways.
Yeah, so I was still saying you can contact them on 081 473 4775. So yeah, about 166 Car Street, Newtown. So who else is our sponsor?
Very comfortable on there.
Yeah, and then I'm not in the Batunda and whatnot.
Yeah, I will not go vice because not you
guys, no one in the office off.
Yeah, one. Soft.
Yeah, so those are all the rappers, no like Black Couch.
Other one as of Alicia.
T.
La Black.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So and then studio, find when you go studio. Chinga sponsor the show.
Acoustics and poetry.
Oh, and I'm actually wearing their merch here, guys.
Yes, guys.
Actually, we're shooting Gin Daily before, but it's gonna drop on Tuesday next week because today is a Friday.
No, I'm just. Just to share this you. To finish to make a production in intern. Anyways. Augustus and poetry. Then and the natural keeper, guys. I have the
okay, then he parted the cat.
Anyways, Nanen the natural keeper, guys. Someone go for tanga page. It's just that I wasn't ready for it because I wasn't wearing. Yeah, so I wasn't ready for it. But it looks like good quality.
Yeah, it is good.
So come acoustics.
No.
Hey, I win. Angi go to the obla rukwano busha apalaza.
Apalaza. Madogo pisa Venda.
Mara ni abujanga crop top urujene
Ndele vura bela itantu.
Leo vura. Wait, nina buruku burina zipi. You know vura.
No, I'll vura. Manti we to ni abushirinka so. Aba anga.
Zina vura uda jana muwe.
So ndole vura la kujena mya pasi.
No, mara wana ni like a cute colorful suit like izilo zo short is out kana zona hembe.
Nazo ziyamba to ringweni.
Yeah.
Namsithi Black Friday.
Yeah. So you can always grab something. Because I feel like the outfits are cute. That's why
we call it a private school event.
It's a private school event, guys. I don't know how to solo ya brown because first of all, the man seen our top, so it doesn't really make sense. Pull up so it's just like okay, guy.
Exactly. Not already.
And the bada fades Uber Plaza. Plaza the bada. So guys, make sure your sneakers are clean. The cologne look good. The frontal mara Venda.
Venda control
not less. Venda iya lifter frontal oh yeah, because we all go in there. Yay.
We're gonna be shooting, yay. And then also, guys, we're probably sponsored by Fair Play Entertainment Center. Hey, Fair Play no.
Yo, guys, I think we're talking about Zimbabwe because what?
Not Nechi.
Not Nechi.
Hey.
So what happens is, should I explain it?
Yeah, just explain, Jan.
I am chilling.
And we're not trying to tarnish anyone, their name.
Yeah, I don't want to be Zina. Also, I deserve airtime when I go on.
I'm not get time in niche.
So what I think happened is, I think Olamwana phone na Nechi
Ophone Patu phone Nechi are reconnecting probably because I feel like with the Patu.
Okay, of which I don't mind, right? Yeah. I don't like Nietzsche is our client. So when he calls, or let's do things like this, I have an idea, I don't mind at all. But then now, I didn't understand when to go and then I see you and mute, as meaning you're not talking. I get in there, 5 minutes non-stop. 11:10, I have a headache. I had a long day.
Yeah.
There's someone that's just talking. Yeah, I feel like you guys need to be creative. And I'm just like, my nigga, point. Like that guy was saying nothing. I was so annoyed. I'm like, what is this guy saying? No, I feel like you guys need to be creative, and then you guys need to what?
I never thought I was.
I told him to shut up because I'm like, what?
It was
because I'm like the 10 and you're calling me. I don't know who you are just to say nonsense.
I feel like the guy, you could have told me that directly. Mara ne. I think Ono's one is not ignore all those things because he's been giving input Zapara before and then for some reason Atoma so change and I mean Atoma but the points them automatically then Otoma Belazore no Black Couch go this about Wangana Banu page of which out with the Wangana after the shoot most of the times
how the interview went.
Yeah, exactly, because obviously I'm not going to befriend everyone another that's
exactly.
Yeah, so I want a problem. So the guy has been needing airtime also now. He's like, because he was like, Datua, and then that poster. He was like, need so much hambara. I've been another shoot, and I mean. I'm like, dude, now I could do shoot. Maybe to one and I don't think there's gonna be enough content for us to shoot. I mean. Was what? So I was like, hey.
Also, I was then she shoot
yeah.
And talk about what exactly?
Hey.
Guys, for as much as we want to be nice, because we can't just be like, no, you guys are getting like as people need to understand that we are also human. Just because Rena podcast as opinion, like it's annoying.
True.
If you know so much, open yours, let's see.
Oh, you wanted to open his.
Then he might as well, because I'm saying in a brand in India magnified every day no zama brand pio guys as your opinion when not every opinion is necessary. It's okay to keep quiet. Like, also, I don't think Nechi knows that boy because I feel like he's literally the most negative person. On numbers, negative about everyone. When I did my first episode on Tegach Kwambori, no, Wafa is a better presenter, warawara, and Tega Instagram. Did he think he was going to repost that?
Hey.
Like, guys, just drink water.
Yeah, thank you.
Now water baying and to say if you just try drink water bay.
Yeah, so guys, speaking of Fair Play, they are also sponsoring us. Macbeth wana gigi. Now all these wines are gonna be found there.
By Fair Play. Oh, that is amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, that is amazing. And I saw now Bana Chateau.
Yeah.
Like waiter, you see how a lot of gigs have like price ya tafura. So hila ni tafura, if you want the una first option in I don't know 25,000, you're gonna drink around 25,000, and then if have you saw 2,000, I think Benz, and I mean, so for those that are complaining about transport or those that don't want to drive when they're drunk, so I feel like that's a very good option.
The one I have class, you have a mutumti. I think so.
No, I want to return people. I've been 25,000 euro la iba ina.
Okay, this one says option 1, private sedan vehicle. Oh, okay, autobiwa V-class nga past. And then that's 500, pick up and drop off at one common location within 25-kilometer radius. Uva tando ya kuvizinga zuga kilometers. Is it more than 25, do you think?
I don't think so. But I feel like angasite heyo radius asingoseze tendo because most of his people ndibona kubava tendo bushandima bugaga. So I feel like I'm just assuming duva tendo.
Yeah, so there's a lot of shuttles, guys. And
the shuttles are giving Uber Black.
Yeah.
Not what DJ. You think you're funny. Anyways, yeah. So if people want to do that, they can always pay. Not over 25,000 was. Don't you
25,000?
Think
last Zita Zorin is not one and about David and Mina so forcer? Because now you're like, I'm gonna to
okay, for but was Navangana. Navangana to Shiga 15.
Oh.
Yeah, for people that don't have a group of people bonushka hayo number. But nenga attend. Already a perbangan.
2, 4.
No you. Retona. Don't divana. Don't musadino conmigo.
Yeah, so I'm the party studio, Mara. Ufi Uberaka Lenza Hub, right?
What's your name?
Lenza Hub.
What's your name? Tato.
And there's Tato also. Media company is blind as Tato,
yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. And then acoustic and poetry guys buy tickets. Ufi zinga. I go promise of that's good and get in. And I'm trying to ask promise. And that's what come for me.
Somebody at 120.
Can 150.
Can 170.
Exactly. 200 a wall.
Somebody to cut a water where 200 go to
if I go phone out get in.
Oh yeah, but it's better to just buy now.
Exactly.
Sasip and paint and kuno wearing is net in as a get in.
How are the tickets going? Ticket sales?
And the Dibuzori Unamchana says that when you go said Zangorish Dumpa anxiety.
Mara Udini Pan to also feedback sometimes.
No, we are business partners. So my other partner is the one taking care of the sales. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, Mara Aunaza get any because with sip and paint Uzura organize you, Uzura una canvas you where you are. So Ara Orengwas at 30 or Rengwas at 30. You can't come to the gate, I'm not saying that date.
Yeah.
Unless I don't mind upendaka bambiri like. But I'm just kidding. But honestly, like Ushuma, Zishumango Raro, we need to be ready. So Narenga before there's nothing I can do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and then with acoustic and poetry guys, make sure near the Bana Brendo, you're not 3.5 up for grabs somewhere. You're in there on 19.
Ufin do you make a show near the Bamini?
No, what can make sure about good as rent, which are the early. Because there's 3.5 up for grabs.
Really? So who got the win is over to Banoko? Like who got the night of poetry?
There's a visual competition. Is gonna happen. I think it's 19. That's what he said.
Okay.
Right? Yeah. So we'll do 3.5. Imagine.
Yeah, there's not the poet got in there.
Wow.
Who's here? Yeah, cool. Maranda atishadiva mana ndichivuta we.
Ubathanyele. Bawufuna basawufuni. Achina wina mara. I'm just saying.
Mara 3.5 ndinjisa for so number.
No, tindi do continue ngasichirwa apo nomatota vachidiva so ndingasichawina.
Yeah, mutanga umela kaburendi 3.5 ndinji.
Yeah. And then guys, water bay quiz. Hey, water bay kushuma na. Ndokufuna mungu mtoko musore. Hey, how do I order the water? I mean, when you're at 240, I'm like, yeah, come here. This is the right spot.
Udipa, like we're gonna be honest about it. Yeah.
And
anga opedzi wakomra mau.
Hey, ni phone na water bay ene mune. Na ya nonde studio. Ndoto no studio.
Andunia none.
Ndasana mabili.
Haba bonwa madyanga ungariba kutonwa bombini. Mwana mwachi bako sikovana kubodha.
Raro ngona zwavudi.
Ikomra mangwe guys.
Yeah, but udani dance. Udani one on. Yeah, so what do we have today? Guys, you're gonna sponsor us. If you also want to sponsor, do come to us.
Yeah. I want us to start with the summers. What do you think about? Did you see Kelly Kumalo's tweet?
Oh, ndoibona also.
Rakusemelwani.
Urasema shashangolote. Zamurachava safe rote sasha.
Okay.
Ndiene ti?
Ni.
Yeah, kili kuma.
Ndiene.
Murachava safe zvino sasha. Get what I mean?
Hey, that was a bad joke.
Ngombrala mavida. Ngombrala mavida 1 million. Ardo ashumisa rote. Ravera tova go simba.
No, you. But anyways.
Wait, what do you mean caught? As I'm doing also caught it?
Damn. Allegedly.
Nani irdo kata.
Okay. It's the Rosary na 2 minutes episode. So what I'm saying is, Oba Kokwatera, I think I winner. You win. Yeah, bakuti winner. You win. Wanga ntokozo mbambo. You know ntokozo, right? So I was like, atiko hana nyimbo zawe dzingava dzi blind ufuradza ntokozo ti. Mara ini, let's say. Black Couch was to be so big, and then Ratomo hosted the awards because of Venda rap or whatever. And then Habona Mtononga Kelly, there's so much going on in her life.
Yeah.
Anga winner album, your Anga winner category because I think you were what of the year?
Maybe I'll be winner if it was like
artist of the year, I think.
Imagine if I win a best hit of the year.
Comes here, Rainbow. Best hit.
Nyimbo za zifizi hit.
Yeah. Hitman gonna hit. Anyways, let's take it like this. Ne personal doesn't matter how good she is. I know no one is proven what guilty
until everyone is
innocent until proven guilty. Yeah. But this is my brand. This is my brand. Karare Obo win Artist of the Year. How do you think the Meiwa family was going to respond? Artist of the Year with all this going on. With case in here, but I
nominate you.
I think we don't nominate her. Uri, she's working, she's making music. I was gonna do the same thing. I don't think it makes sense for brand. That is when I'm saying the scandal brand is pull out. Have him to rape brand is go pull out because when I'm going protect a brand, we're not gonna sacrifice the summers for Kelly. So I totally get it.
Yeah. And then speaking of the Samati, Makazo win Mindobona nae. Ange. Don't want to na Skomota.
Yeah,
but then I don't think Skomota was given the cause. I think
that was his first biggest appearance.
You know, Zibonakane just saw the scandals around the thing.
I don't remember the last time I watched the Summers.
Hey, because gender score. And then also AKO winner.
I got a winner.
I wanted to ask you that. Or do you think
Namampinjango winner?
Tishu Mampincho winner song of the year last year. If mean
Ngeke.
Hey. So
that's what happens when I say
no, I feel like what for accomplish more than what could
as the accomplishment because no for.
Do you mean?
I don't know.
Yeah, so I wanted to ask you, Uri, do you think AK uko winner cause o winner kana enemne obachikoto roza kum? Cause okay, I get it. I get it to o winner nga Lemonade. Lemonade is a good song.
Lemonade is a bang.
And then I'm not sure if company or do I win a male artist of the year. Manka divana agenda no.
Okay, come bro.
Yeah, mar. And then
Whom do I know who you want to please? Nani can make a police somewhere for begin.
Nani shall no police.
Richimbrano mataf gong.
There's one thing now goes with the
Richimbrano mataf gong. And that mataf gong repo. I could the rope. I could the anyways.
Yeah, so I went on a best engineered album. Like what's going on? Like okay,
did Kabza win anything?
Yeah, I think apparently he's the one who won the most. Winner 4.
Please, go to Umber. Guys, Kabza is good. Niko pela album in EP. Oh, album you should listen to. Is it Isfusi Sone? And then is it Amazwe or something? Oof.
Oh, if Amazwe, okay.
I
knew that's one about the I realized
it was So I think in the end, I know about your winner. Mara winner, guys. It's okay. Eventually, but do hangwa uri orobas cha win.
Mara, do you think into? I mean, the awards of South Africa, like as also over the metro. I mean, even Chimane actually event. Do you think? I don't know. Do you think those things are still credible enough? The nerangatori they determine or remove in the voice of Kuma. Can I do a brown envelope?
I don't know mananga song of the year radio. You need remember how it used to be so interesting because you knew Uri. I remember Jezebel, big nas.
Yeah.
That was the time
And
where
you
you
knew
knew
the song is gonna
because so you know who are winner in Borne. So for me, that's why I don't even watch those things anymore because it doesn't mean anything to me anymore.
Yeah.
I don't know about everybody else, but
What song do you think is gonna be song of the year?
Iplan.
Right? Mara ndinonya kuiniswa piano.
We darling,
Zvipoze bundo anokunya kuiniswa piano ila zvituzvi.
Iplan in the mean.
Isn't it gom?
Gomti. Mara gomi kuirono ipale duvanga Saturday. Uri.
Oh, okunyela mukana wako DJ ana.
Deben something.
K Deben. Wa Roma.
Ay, mara festa slash kurona.
Abero notangana futhi.
Guys, we had a very good weekend. Saturday. Saturday so those jambas we had a good time. All I know is una braai, una lembu na chicken na beef. Inini lemba ni umburi, so I'm worried about you. That's when you go to therapy.
No man, that was kufunga ndi beef na mayo. As long as it's not white meat.
What do you mean? Lembu yapfala uri indi lembu. Nimbudze munne wa mudi auto ya overboard her one la lembu. Ho you roll beef. Brayote ola beef. I'm like but it was a good time, eh?
Yeah,
we should do that more
do that
often. I think once a month or once every 2 months, radio move araya mwe and then shimarasha una masofa lera rudzoka.
Are they ample?
Una masofa.
Una di braai areas avo rodzura na rine. Chachi kuri budzana story.
Chidoro chata fast mar.
Yeah.
Zvila zvineve yona vani kuita braai asi zvikonembo.
Arire. Hey, I didn't fool you as a podcast.
I didn't podcast today.
No, I'm just saying, hey, this house is I had a good time.
Speaking of mid-auto, okay, Harare mid-auto, that's why we saw K Devin. Did you see the status ya ino soul ya Facebook?
I don't know really, why that guy. What's the English word?
Please read that post. Or should I read it? Ika ndo isenda country.
No, isenda ndi busy lado.
Mara itu ba no ngobe not kule.
Yeah, like okay.
Nika WhatsApp. Are you gonna read it?
Okay, read it from your side. Download Faith.
Okay. We definitely had a good one yesterday. I'm glad I'm glad that group. I'm glad that group was not around and I'm happy they don't come anymore. I don't want to have a place categorized and called Venda. Auto what. I'm on my own hustle and I will make it. Have you put sake?
What the guys that he's talking about?
What the Venda guys?
What the Venda guys want to chill Kawashia or the door Kawashia was?
What like yo Sibeko, Raid, all these guys.
So abachaya you know.
Mara I don't think okay at the are unandwati. Mara uyangane tina nenda ndichia I would go there ngazi Sunday chill eat and whatever. The reason why I stopped ndoguma lingo duba ndopelekeza fisto suliza roba mid auto akuliza mid auto rairiza soul nga 12.
Yeah.
It was so windy and ndinda avala betu. It was so cold to a point in so that we can go back to me. Because we were chilling on a couch. We had, and don't get me wrong, Harko advertiser, but I'm just saying, Uri.
No, it's a good space.
It's a good
also
space. Do you get So I'm like, it's a very good space. And at zifanana mutu adda na brand ya Queen ya Mangrasi ine aikwashe ine why dzura eskwashe yanga edzura yakwashe I can't be mad uri bathu bako renga hila because I feel like you need nane vala msho bachi toma wosedzero okay who's our competitor mid-rand it's obviously coffee so recharge and whatever okay what can I do better recharge watu babo ima ngori zidoni stuku I need to get more couches and then he did that jambure ari abli got your tsanya price and then he did that I don't know about the prices of the alcohol but for me I think it's affordable.
Yeah, I was about to say and I'm sure also the focus kore bunja ba Venda ba spend such thing a guy mlozo roka so cause coffee ngawana una watu ba different and all that mara mid auto utanga Venda so that's another
now only am Venda and one thing about Venda people they will support you like nichito jena petu nemi ndo tingoto yobudzofindi am Venda ndotobonanga bathu banokuyo ndi am Venda do you get what I'm saying so unless are able to mabalwa habali bakono decide bakwange mara if it was me and I had two choices because choose uzula and ndichinga ngomu it doesn't make sense I wouldn't choose a chair when I can be on a couch. You get it. But also why akosema like 90% public figures on social media it doesn't make sense.
Is he a public figure?
He's good. He is famous. And that's why I chifuna chimbrana mazulu because Venda people never accepted him. What do you mean? Ndichi over Venda. It was Venda people.
And then dinyo me jambori also ni chiange so never the be after chimbra zawudi. Ni manu kufoso renga 60.
Ndo yanda renga is representing 150. Niko nwena anda food so I'm like ah di veve. The glass Mara for real, it was 150. And I don't maybe I'm just tipsy. Tingo pazon. There very many. Very 1 for 150. And at the balloon and roya busiku. Zingwazopera. It's I think I could be a kana that renga ye. So I didn't have a choice. But yeah, it was expensive.
So Vlazori attend also in renga B&T kana mbili into renga.
Oh, urureng sanga 66. I don't know because nando no renga taro. I guess Jivaka shopping and then no renga taro.
Hey.
So I think also the order, man, mara zori sema way. Urene, that's why I teach him. So I really want to identify what is Zulu, you must just say it. So uri but batenda bamsupporti ngorene utonga happy tendo uva I don't know if it's Chilamba or Kuvi or that side of play. But I'm like how? We don't even know the guys, but me don't remember a guy. But we are going there because of the space.
And then guys,
we go to coffee. I don't know who owns it. We go because of the space.
Exactly.
I stopped going there because line age where I first started is sinji. Mara ajamburi ndina beef na owner. I don't know who the owner is. So.
And then also meet all the things. Then I realized already. You know, I know soul. Onos goes around and all that. Because. Glad that she made Otoro Tom. It was nice animals. As I told you, actually to play no of the kind of situation.
No, Zonzo no ba. On to I remember it was during the week. It was a random Wednesday.
Oh,
shoot.
Yeah. And then glad the first episode. No, so hey, nenda neta na mina. Marumu zanga color no boy. Hey, nenda skando neta because I had to go to church the following day. Awa kambore na nenda kwenye kutwanga bo one. But then Ella space is just welcoming. Anya kutuwa like uba right na mina. So if kambore nendi dendi zure nda busei. Ndiko bona shete. Okay, ndiko yesa.
Mara no man, I really feel like and I want him to understand that avula umwe kana a renovator. Aita petono dzule yati we are gonna come man. We don't care who the owner is. We just want vibes, honestly.
True.
Na ablia 250 please.
Ablia 250.
Midoto.
Iwe
kofare ati div mara ile ndi 250 and I afford that, so it's fine.
Exactly. And then do you feel like he's a celebrity or what? How do you categorize between my celebrity and the influencer vendor? My celebrity
naswatu bonoimba na bono actor na bono idazo ngazito. And then influencer names no duma gore no duma, don't you think?
Okay, if you say that. Okay, say from but wane bono that kazi guest. Who would you say the celebrity if nko umbrawa? Let me just give you Fistos
celebrity.
Una Rems
celebrity.
Okay, I don't think you know the guy from the third episode, Maginya. Who does a photography, I mean. And then there's...
Is he famous?
No, not really. He does the work.
So it has to come with... Need to be famous, at least Nichi Dibiwa. And the famous are 100K followers, right? Because people want to categorize like over famous ngori habanoni baka Instagram. Rekomba uro Dibiwa when you walk into Venda. When you walk into a space, let's say Nichi Jana Migero Nga Nichi Jana Use Cafe or wherever.
Yeah.
Do people know who you are? Kana nichi kwenye stage watu wapo sana indi nyina.
Okay, Greg.
Jambo ni mani upcoming. Greg is an influencer, not a celebrity. Greg is an influencer.
Is he?
Because influencer brand yawe ene mune and people found cars interesting ga ene mune, not he's a self-made influencer because I advertise it a brand. What advertise a brand yawe ene mune. He's just famous for his own thing. Marana alinga perform agrege manchtem so that's Vicena Rimbo.
No, man, not really perform. I feel like celeb. Okay, my definition is going better nyana. Or if I mean, like the first is or celebrity ni mtu nodo imbana state kana you can be a celeb or nodo duma and then influencer there's something influential about it. Ndika is an influencer, right?
Influencer, yes.
And then him mtanenda fonga Rude Kid. Okay, why imba man? Don't make sense.
Give me
a celeb haimbi.
Okay, let me make an example. Jitriki ngori mutu ononga anza R uto for the page but he's famous. Oh flip, do you know Anza R?
I think
he's a very well known, very good photographer and what DV was. So I'm thinking ningawana achiko step into a room ajenongori I'm Anza R, which makes him a celeb, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
So I don't know. What's the difference?
What are you?
I'm nothing. Oh, fact checker. Please read it out loud.
Celebrities usually don't have to be experts in the field to promote a product, but influencers have to be experts. So what you were saying about Greg, he's an expert at guru and promoting guru. So he's an influencer.
Yes. And then with celebrity,
They don't have to be experts. So there's no universal.
Do you just say this is no solo?
He's not an expert. Okay. So
he's good at what he does though. So DJ, right?
yeah, but Naya advertise the guru.
Hey, this is complicated. Sharemsanyana tho. Mara guys, I don't know msanga chiventa. Izo ndi chikho. Nga chiventa ni mano finuro duma. Hauna lingo ipi.
Mara influencer na iko bia nepo. Ko doom.
People enjoy their music.
Yes.
And then with influencers, they gain followers based on like a specific interest. So you're interested in, you don't make music, but you're interested in music, so you influence people in that.
Oh, some pora. Ugo influence of una.
Tech. Okay. All right.
Yeah,
I guess so.
Yeah, remember very.
Where did we? But it's fine.
Yeah, so
Okay.
now you're the because also like people have been saying already, hey, maseleba Venda, me need this maseleba Venda. I'm like maseleba Venda ndi apiyo.
Ndi nyimuwa salam. Okay, what type of bora leba wena kami?
Tabelo bumbe. Hawana manowa.
Hawana manowa.
Karafunane.
Mara ba wena kami.
I would say a celeb.
Because he's well known everywhere.
Yeah, he's a celeb. Now, these are two categories that you have to put in.
No. Hava lava aba wedi ko rama bindu page because wana lifestyle. He never advertise. Like he is present ka social media. Jambur banga ba influencer na bodito boribo banga si influencer muto because he has the money. Mara oborama bindu ngamba kamsiva MTG ba fibonyi. Exactly. Because he's nowhere. He's just an entrepreneur. He's just a businessman. Mara aba you get it. So abalani abiba popana champagne. Ilan influencer straight the president. But anyways, yeah, I guess that's the difference.
Oh, okay. I think yeah, so go pass. So now then the celebs of kuma, na the influencers of kuma.
Mara ni resendera zone biwe if niko for home to celeb. Mara biwe ni mbodi senda ngana babiwe bane abatu duma which there were katri otomotari chiza otundi but which is not bad.
Yeah, I thought they were out there. And then nika mzuri ba de resendera. Una want to be a commenter. A list ya watu wanaokutoa the Black Couch. Wacha sika twenda na delete anela list yote. Ka comment. Like no screenshot. No, I'm like I also went to him Dambuzo, dude, are you the one who commented last to Naria? Cuz ndana search ka Facebook. And Naria okay ndo delete all those things cuz I feel like most of those people when aba amba Ronova Vidza, some of them were in the process and also there's other podcasts Venda zanganya goda so bachi bajana ka comment ba
bamwana before rine.
So I was like
okay, if that's the reason it makes sense.
Research or guest in Zahana so I was like oh it's cool man. So there's no bad blood.
Okay. No.
Yeah, so
please unaena mubudza asa dopfonga romutonge.
Yeah, ndo so mura ndiko delete ndaita mini. Ndiko na mudu do findi atonga mini. So.
Asdin, asvikule ti.
Utonga.
Uri ufini atonga.
Hey.
Abe social media has so much power lately, hey?
Yeah.
Yes, no kuito bathu bapfonga rivanga dabari budza how to run a show.
Hey.
Because you are no zulantambete no ganama. Sometimes you haven't even eaten and you're just typing. You have so much power, you have so much control. Data it's usually people that buy data in MB or 30 MB and you're just typing nonsense. It's usually now when the social media bully they have nothing else to do with their lives. Like what because okay, Tanga is doing good. Let me say something that's gonna hurt him. Vangasini wise ndizvone mara vaone vanokuwiseya vatoshuma zvezvo navati vanotoshuma zvezvo exactly. So yeah,
so what else do we have? Abena mziprep ndiano
rari kutoa manga social media actually. But it's okay.
What do you mean it's okay? You don't want to talk about it anymore?
No, it's because we've touched on it. But that's what I wanted to emphasize, Uri. It has given people so much power to a point in it, but they can say whatever.
Actually, this also comes back to that. So social media, okay, what's up, or so for okay, one night time now 20 megabytes, and I phone and ramba 5 minutes and go man. So somebody, social media does everything, whether good or bad.
Like the person that reposted Pandey's picture, Ari Chonaga, like us owning us tendo rana talent. That's a very rude thing to say, guys.
Is that what the thing said?
Yeah. But I saw it. Ari, like it's a random. Didn't the post a share. You know how Facebook is.
Yeah.
Ari, do you tendo rana talent? That's very crazy.
Pando kwamba Miss Pity.
She's been a presenter akadiro high school, like from I don't know what to primary namara high school. Right from the zone now lamzana unokuwa chikolo chisatuva because she used to go work there and present. She does DJing, she does for mtu ane ukozama, she's acting as well. She's trying all these things just for someone to come say you have no talent.
But then now I feel like she's perfected it now.
Exactly.
I would just hate.
So I feel like people have just gained so much power. Megabytes and they just feel that they can do whatever they want to do. I think we need to sue people, hey, for saying whatever, because you can actually do it.
Also, I'm trying to thought the charity, because maybe that's another thing.
Yeah, that's another thing.
What I mean.
Then it's 100% see win.
I go to bed, because also I bet you should up now. It has to be
But then people need to respect each other on social media, though.
Yeah.
Like, then have you seen especially Zonombo kids, these pages of my paper and stuff?
Yeah.
You want to talk this a whole thread about someone's marriage, sending pictures of someone's husband cheating. Do you know what it does to the kids? Usually, kids are now on social media at like 9 years old, 10 years. You're not looking at Uroko Doidi Amini. Jambo Nido enjoy by Sabato. It's giving witchcraft because why would you sit down and say, I want to do something that's going to hurt this person? Udon diba. For what? So Jambo Rako for Babani Manotakara. Jambo Nimuloi, basically. So all social media bullies.
But
no, it starts from the heart actually. So pupa ni banontoba expert ni banontoba ka level ingwe. Mara zvitomanga buchiva. Yeah, I don't get it. Atipesesi kana una mtoto creator fake account yoto nyerisa mutu, and I'm like, why? Where do you get the time?
Hey man, people will do anything.
Yeah.
And then I say for fame, because even the fame.
It's not for fame because by anonymous. Nduto maisa mutu base. Nduto takero muntu kufoba and that's it.
Yeah, and then also, but then the social media is bad for people whenever so much going on and all that. There's also, I feel like there's also good in here than social media in about babies because now I could be on my phone all day. Those run whenever in as much as okay, you and respect and Ambana was with Marabo, Ningasoko Ambana 24/7, this are for, and they don't even know with the phone.
Yeah,
social media it has quite a lot.
It has the good.
Who knows?
Part of it.
Like our content more get and play in a podcast.
Exactly.
She's glued to it every day. She's like, hey, I need to post Anna.
Hey, you get it. You know, you're good. I mean, this are the influencer. Not all influencers are bad. As the influencers are doing what? Interview. I won't popping.
Yeah.
They're influencers, but legit ones. Like they're making money out of being on their phones, like shooting content and all that. Asuri, what they have influencers to Yo, speaking of influencers, did you see that kid was 16 who's dating Zonzo? Are they dating or are they just like
shaking?
Yeah, smashing. That's what I thought.
Yeah, I feel like actually
because all I want is Jamburi.
She was with
because Otomo posta mutega.
She was with Basta 99 before Zonzo. All I want.
So momutu ombo uri okay, zvazvino ringadimerera vangadimerera vantu vari na utofunesa zvitu kule kubva kabasta mini mara the fact that nikuwana mwana rina 16 unofunesa zvitu doesn't make it right for a 30-year-old to be with that kid because ufunesa zvitu. Do you get what I'm saying?
Zonzo na 30.
I don't know, mara maybe above, mara ya tikurera 20 something.
So Zonzo na 15 ola mwana sa baby probably somewhere around there.
So jambo ranga bopedza high school ola mwana sa baby. It's possible. Depending corona 30 mean. But what I'm saying is usually but the target is unofunesa zvitu zvina zviambara abviswa zvine pafini kumuona unofunesa zvitu bona ni chihani wara and I'm like but then it doesn't make it right. Ini mulwan ini ni adiba wala ndi mwana adibi ini ni adiba. Would you go for a so I'm saying for mwana na 12? It's basically that.
And then I was 16.
Nari just because hambari ufunesa cherede.
I wouldn't, hey?
Vaone vadone unofunesa cherede why nzai khabo?
Nikamba so marati. You know age difference between what we data, it also matters ka uri ndi nikamiunga ipiyo. Like you could be like 15 then I did 20. I'm abusing you. But if you're 45 and I'm 50, it's all
Sharp.
So you just have to wait for a certain age and I'm going to date. Zonzo to better in 4 years.
No. And there's just a weird when there 4 years. Actually, girl, Lola one. She's 16, not 18.
Yeah.
So
better in there 2 years.
You get what I'm saying? Kararoba anta 18 ringa toni soda marona zne rakanita. Ula ngwana una the decisions out. I mean, una 18.
Yeah.
Na run what ended you by that time. But then was 16. Who ya guy na ula ngwana? Where are you taking that kid?
Ko by sa Alicia.
Ngwana rana 16 years. Ngwana Alicia ula otho mona mngwe ngana. That's funny.
Jambor basically.
Do you get what I'm saying now?
Alicia, so they would. I would say that.
Which is very scary because now I can't allow you to be around because I'm thinking ni vano vasedzisa ni vana va age zvambula mwana udana vangana va ukotamba ukobambeliwa. What are you thinking? If you I don't need to konota enola mwana na muviri muhulu asivusindi makatini asivusayena. She's small, bro. She's tiny. She's really 16. So I don't need to konomusedzana mu ngachivendo fino munyemura nyemura
ndu emura.
So jambore na ula mwana oda bana pool party na zvingana zvawo with a sleepover ni vanikobona zvazvo nikobona vafumakazi, which is wrong.
True.
Yeah. People shouldn't let money make them do whatever they want to do. It's fucked up.
But then speaking of that, you see, when I post you post last week, if you are dating the younger version of me, it's all right. Mara, the rules are reversed now. Nendiko data whole mtu even if abuse so
naka vafumakazi ndi abuse utobori men are too proud uzviamba nipota nonwaruove ura nabeni the person that broke my virginity was my mom's friend or was my aunt whatever. A lot of people vazviamba ngororo ende naviwe ni pfori ni blind uri nangotamwanga mufumakazi murwani. You don't see it as abuse. That's just how you guys are built. Mara ndi abuse. It's just that we only too proud and even for nendifuna mama.
Maybe Zonzo for all one ango report a bastard. Jambor nene angam report. If you're speaking of being reported first.
Bro, I don't care. No, I just think money is controlling this. Any kaba mbedenta.
Nirmin. Allegedly Zonzo.
Allegedly.
Allegedly. Mara. Why allegedly? So nezo waka social media.
But mara allegedly I guess. Borarana penia maloya razo.
Hey, na yana mara tio jazo the. So
allegedly 40.
I'm just saying.
Allegedly.
And then obviously Alicia, because there's also another picture of Alicia wako agana panda ilambu yabo.
Is that Alicia?
Well, I saw the ass.
Everybody has a ass.
Not the Alicia.
Oh, everybody's buying that shit. What do you mean?
Yeah.
How are you gonna know it's not Alicia?
Yeah, or Cindy.
Kana Cindy.
You wouldn't know what that
You wouldn't know.
I think
it's not so ranky was yafana.
Sign buji wabona.
Sayeno ambara zvonari. Uzvibona kazi bikini it's. Ambara baba ambara nzitaita wala watu zaita so. Zvibona zvifana zvo zvorengo is the same thing. I mean, recording shopon late. Give us Mr. Price fun.
And then also
saw
this other was it a comment kana muntu akushare zva Zonzo ukamofi. What if Zonzo akochimisa chimwana chava truth and kutwala I mean because they need fresh blood also those people.
But then okay zotwala bone zvimwe mara also money can make you do that.
How?
Chedi anito nipfongari you can shag anyone.
But not kids, bro.
He wants anything. That's and I'm sure about this because they want a picture of a bucket at your Gucci. No chibona chikojia selfie nyana. I'm sure that kid doesn't even want much. Just to tori lo have ambara jacket ya ule ya Gucci ya 40 I've what's in a pool vibes. I guess that's why they go for younger ones because Renneria thought the 15,000 agent.
Yeah, so why not do it on your
rate of the agent in 5 minutes. So you get what I'm saying?
That's why university na dofunya grocery.
That as long as she has Wi-Fi. Ndokurengena router ya rain kwa sorted.
Na wana ya 4G sa connect uto kusini dine.
Kusini dine kuita kuchufumula. Kana kurengena that night.
Kwa bali there.
Kuto text on right. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But jokes aside, like zvuko bora zva vana guys. Vamwe vakodimela vari vatone vana vone vavonala vava huru.
Namto number is true.
Oh, vaone vanokuri havana bindi vaulwane.
Kuna dafu.
Kuna dafu. Kuko haru kuna I'm just like, it's so embarrassing. It's cringe. It makes me cringe.
So this thing, is it serious to a point in it? Didn't remember Zonzo ambo come to FM also.
Oh yeah, ropanga momo ndimsiri kwamba ngafoni uri kwamba rushikambo ka metro. Yeah, we had it on metro.
Hey, mumtatu wana access ka call za shizune ra kamba. Hey.
That's a group call. Eh?
Oh yo, eh offer bopanga miya ka call.
Guys, yo. That was a huge. So, ndandikuti opanga munaro, you fi girlfriend ina ku crown. Yami ngandi give off life ina ku crown. Ndizi jizote.
Naza kuona crown pezi.
Oh, ndapanga. Ndikuno and if it's auto soruna zamyanga. Kala na zamyanga.
Ndaro ngasuthi yaphula phala. Yeah, they are wafa.
And then ndapanga fistos uri enopanga miyawe. Ndabandi kupfunga uko joke sanga misindera ndopanga mularo. Ari ndi miyawe. Guys, let's end it now. Nimbudze bo genera fana bari urini.
Wane busy
kwa. Ukambo ngamini afa.
Mara.
But anyways, what was your phone so yeah.
Yeah, Zonzo kali chizina kuita. Kali che.
Man, ndichira okay does not funa mara. Abona za do fario.
Hey, maselebo tato peda jere ya Venda.
Nanyimo.
Bundu ndi celebo.
I guess he was, yeah.
Not was, it still is.
Where?
I'm sure no sign as the I mean mavarolo varonyana ange.
Oh. For what?
No, he's a celeb man. Ndi bundu, ndi zemu na ndo faro na bundu. Imagine
we no faro na bundu ngarka saine.
What do you think I could just go to Robben Island? Dude, I got Mandela.
Got Mandela, bro. Mandela's in my style, bro. In it. Guys, no man.
Yeah. So, okay, no fara prep na mus elen kwenda ndi chamba ne diwa.
That's going there ni chamba. Utobori inenda kwa yumbra ikontatiso trauma.
Why?
It's a bit sensitive.
What's
no,
sensitive?
the one that I told you about your childhood trauma. But the thing is, we've spoken about it before in a depression form, but they need more of it and whatever. So it's like if we go into it in childhood trauma, it's way better. Maran, let me tell you, you know how there's a lot of people that like saying, no, this person is like this. Okay, personally, I don't believe I don't think it makes sense because you like there's a certain age you get to it you stop blame a childhood trauma.
Yeah.
You can't now say because that's a funny way so I'm gonna treat women like this or whatever.
Oh, yeah.
Childhood trauma is wrong. I feel like nayo, don't you think?
What's yours?
What is mine?
Ndila zvine naita nichibusa zvithu nendara nazvirivhesera khane ndisere.
Hey, because I'm ombrazo yange ngabe imini. Ndimishinda chiyo pesa. Nani says I have daddy issues.
How?
Anyways, let's leave it. No, you see how if your parents were not married and you didn't yes, I didn't want to my parents were not married and whatever. So I'm very scared of marriage. Personally, I'm like, yo. And also looking at how things are going on. And they go, yanga kotonana. Mara yanga, I can fix it. I'm willing to fix it. Mara point yanga ndiori, ngasiri, ngori, tingobona marriage mrau. I'm just going to be like this. The chimra ndiko tenisha. Marriage and whatever. Now at once go chimra with like home wrecking and whatever because they don't believe in marriage. So what I'm saying is, you can't blame childhood trauma forever. There's a certain age in it's now up to you. Ningas blame me because it's not her fault also that she didn't get married. It's not my dad's fault that they didn't get married or whatever. So kana uri kutsena baba siyo in the picture kana uri mi anu baba siyo in the picture. When they've got both married parents. Bangobana trauma yore the father was never in the house. Like there's all the money. Hey, maraba aniba boni like he's not interested about when he report I'm trying to as long as he's paying school fees. That's also trauma. Ininchi says on the furo yuko pengo ndi trauma is to buna shedenga ba I got this was going Benz. Do you understand? Or trauma zifani mara imagine if we were to all blame childhood trauma. Auna scenario what do you think yours is?
All this time, I was trying to think of mine. I don't know.
You'll think about it. It can be the smallest thing. As during
yeah. Some parents were absent. Now, what made it know that? When was it? Friday before Chiantron, Avistos. Do invite Prague. There was this men's conference. So, all of them to work savanna songo tendo replacewa vutshiloni
Yeah.
in terms of what ila zori inini ni woto shuma woto supply ni woto nga traka la sa school so
And
la
it's fast.
tita so exactly
You're an
ni shuma
NSFAS
woto pakhela
dad.
ni
Yeah.
chana mina all those things ori okay mwana wani diva ori ndina khotsi mara urani bone na mina and then also obi abakhamba okay with my kid nani vanhu kuita zoshuma I mean minister and all that mara the kid only sees me maybe ngathi weekend I mean so udiva no dori mara nga siri dedo la n'wana mara udzira fhethu thi so zwa so
Ish. And that's very sad.
leswi ni ri tea uzviconsidera uri actually khotsi va kuitesa zvo nyange ushumela vababy I even asked someone uri okay ndovusa mukona I was like do you think I focus more kuita zvinhu zvanga zvamini that business not that because I do focus ka business na podcast and ndaita zva so ndianyango neglecta zvimwe zvinhu zvine zvanga distract and why are we even doing this ndela part yori you are doing this to try and make a living for
Onoyo muthu.
so now you're like
I get it.
what do I do now?
Mara, I think we need to strike a balance. At church, Bobi Funzori, there's literally 3 balls in life. I think one by spirituality, family, and then money. Itu raro. Mach kwambori, yeah, family, it's like a glass ball. If you drop it, it's over. But then your career, iraba. So if you drop it, you can always bounce back. Now lose you can get another one. Do you understand? So I know it's hard, but I think we need to find the third bond, their spirituality. Now you YouTube class because you can't pray anymore. You don't focus on God. You don't go to church. You are just focusing on career. You think you know that you're going to career. So what I'm saying is, for as much as it's very hard, because remember in your 20s, you're trying to make sure your 40s are soft. That's why we're working so hard now, doing all these things. So we need to strike a balance. Just like your siblings, you need to be able to call your sibling and ask her how she's doing.
Yeah.
As long as podcast or Dumao, the whole world loves you, but you don't even know. You don't know who September. You don't know anything. You're just. And like,
I've been as a part of this one. The one goes go mazanga. And you so Mara, like I don't think it should be like that.
Which is okay. It's a very calm department.
Kind of, yeah.
Do you understand? Ainga dumi saini.
Yeah.
She might make more money than you, but ainga dumi. Still udoma watanga, which is okay. But the relationship, like I need to know when you need to know when she starts her period. You need like that support. Talk to your mom. I wanna chiping and this one phone blind, but I try because at the end of the day, because the one was already quite I mean. How are you? No comment story, and I'm just like, this is hard, but I need to try because at the end of the day we're family. Facebook
yeah, but like if not send a joke and then so no reply or iPhone
exactly. Proof
exactly. So
and stuff.
Yeah. So
But
hey, trauma I feel like what is advantage. Tonga ilazera matomonyana urbango batipedza wakela point or no ndana depression mean like actually slack ungefethu all the time. Which means there is no ndi depression mean like I don't feel like such things and all that. Mara with trauma
everybody has trauma.
So okay, zvinotedwa mimi and it's funny. Kutobari vachikwamba sort of like around one this baby ndibadira kugayo jena so I feel so kana fair play or
kana premature
angofuna nichi na muna so arandi kunyagodzapo ndisina khutsi ndibadira kugayo ndingasidira package yange ngasitsena so like evela ndi joke mana vatu vane vazvishumisa for the bad ila zvakumela zori nyaya zvito benefit and zvakuma
yeah
imeo zvatskambofi waita mini into all black achiri kunyago fe jena ngo jena matraka ngori bio chinga stand jena azungombo zvezvo all black marato the reason diori what am I saying
like come on nive tut what is this guy saying we are chambanga kolona ndini ngumona
no man kodamba ndizera zama
ezo hela asi no mara as hakushumisa twad manje tubu sina zvingaita
what do you mean
angazijene ngangi
No, atikamba receive man. Uri actually the hope ori.
hangotohamba
Hangorenga ticket I remember.
who told you
To see what he.
why that's not true how
Emuna. Hola mtu others na ticket. I am na DJ yangi. Ti? And then DJ are nezo shtu ngasikone.
ariricha mapunga
Cause na biyo yangi giti. And the biyo name zona shiriti.
let's move guys hey habe tuzone zidor farsa mapulisa bad
Let's go podcast ne asiamba.
mara hey asiyo vala
Mara
amba
panga tu afala.
Hey. Anyways, let's move.
Also, I wanted to ask you, Ti, Ori, have you ever been to a point in a, like, okay, let's do Rama with red flag. Like, you hate something, like, you literally hate it, and then you're not and you're like, okay, I can accommodate this one. I mean. Saying, I mean, I hate, I'm going by example, wrong.
Amba.
Ndakonya gamba ine ya anti ya flag. Ori.
Ya flag ya mi. Jiambe.
Yeah, I'm going to.
For example, dude, this Jiambe, there's nothing wrong. No, I understand.
LGTV.
LGTV.
Yeah. No, LGTV. Yeah, so if you come like, I'm against that whole thing, T?
Yeah.
Because of my own reasonings. And then Mpora is a friend. And then out of nowhere, Chico Vanga Uma Droboy.
Now you want to go vote Drubuni?
And then like, so.
She doesn't imagine it like literally. Not go vote Drop. Yeah, brown. Wardrobe. Ne diba wardrobe zezera nazo ina kale wardrobe not. Nyabera zena kanti na suitcase. Ina sticha gold jovura.
Ndio lele.
It's sweet. But anyways.
Yeah.
Maria.
So now so alright, if out of the closet, okay, what if do I accept him because he's a friend and we've built that friendship it's too tight. You can't just let go. So then I'm going tomorrow, okay, I'll deal with this one. So that's so. No I know point here so. Shune munga na mwita zungozito like, hey, tuzifune zitumara ndimpo.
Maranda siambe na yengazo.
I don't know.
The thing is now I think I'm too vocal, hey? With everything, if any small mistake, I don't bottle things up. Like I'm gonna tell you. Nanga I don't. Hey, okay. With me, I always tell my friends, Uri, for as much as Rotterdam has a problem, Richie phone and Ramba and whatever, but I feel like friendship should be easy, bruh. Like it shouldn't be. With friendship, you choose. Well, this is my friend. With everything else, with your mom, even if she does anything, she's still your mom.
Yeah.
So I feel like with friendship, let it be smooth if it can. Like, I feel like it should be so easy.
Yeah, Mara ask on this, and now it's just me asking you, are you gonna like change your ways because of them?
I wouldn't want them to change. I should change. Unless I don't come back, for example. Nina mgana ne una mini. Okay, kana nina mgana ne ukuita kana sku change aba slay queen. Hezo ziyaricha yani amukaizo rio I'm not going to have a friend like this. Do you understand? So hezo ziyambe. Mara mutu anibudzoro okay, here's the thing. I love women. There's nothing I can do. That person is still going to be my friend. Ndizvine akopfazo ndizvine abazvone. Mara zvondo azorengisa arovwa mutambudzo kunyo babengere ngetombudzo karolichi. Arozvobara. Yeah, friendship katoima.
Wait, like I love women, I just thought of something, Ori. Have you ever thought about it, Ori? You know, right? So, like, no celebrate and a kiss and anyway. It's like, oh, it's nice. That's nice. What kiss and ran majita. I go celebrate a kiss.
Then I know there's some kiss.
No, that one, oh, she's a friend.
Hey, usuri. Usuri to some kiss and go to yo.
Oh, ngara.
Chico do Chico to a tail. Madikalo fara.
So that's so. Oh, I love you.
Oh yeah,
I love you, baby. All those things. Let me do them. Oh, I love you, Mpo. Hey, I've got.
And I chew one message. What's the first thing that will come to your mind?
And then.
I love you, bro.
How would you react? I love you, bro.
No, I think I'm just not an emotional person. Not going to be your side. Near the banana door, I'll to Maga. Who are gonna ever just week and then in here. It's weird. You know, I'd gone open to gift. I'd gone over sweet. You saw Ndorengela Festivals a bit, they were like a little, that key holder thing. I don't know what that hey, I got you something.
I'm Saturday.
Oh, yes, you're not going to come wrong.
Hey.
And go on, are you romantic? Either opposite romantic. How do you give your girlfriend gifts out? Need you move like, do you like?
Oh, how do I
don't think I've been.
No, like now do. I'll do anything.
I've never been with a romantic
Here's
guy.
the thing. I'll do anything. Ask you. I mean, then hey, you're not Susan Nangi.
That's one thing we give to your face.
Like give you the move for Zone that Sarah Mara.
Gift yang ando yohani sani yo face. You baby waka suitcase you're the one nayo.
Na DHL.
Suitcase. You're the order nayo. Anga danga DHL. Anga danga DHL. No, suitcase erna jembo zao.
Oh.
Chari kadi pakule suitcase and we just shilling around the detail.
So you're not gonna treasure hunt your gift, yeah?
And I'm like, why should I do it when you're here? Push out the bafono. Azunga pari ka chipika rakadob.
Ufipo kidami.
Ino roko bona video chila se video la
Ila video. Okay, arise pana. Arise bona evana.
What I'm saying.
Hey.
I've got a pakura back. And being me, I'm like, dude, you can do it yourself in each person, but it doesn't. Chari, ndoro pakura anyway, even kumbechera all the time. I'm like, I'm not doing it. So you know, ono to ono it. I'm like, okay, let me just do it because ndakurita was sweet. That's when I found it. I knew it was mine. I was
so you're low-key soft.
Huh?
So you're low-key soft. Let's say, I tell you, I'm I stop vanap. Shimona, ngadi muitere.
Ndia muitela utobor ngandreva kwamba ndasi kwenye kuita zvezvo kuvamba. Zviyabhora.
This thing of being low-key soft, like tina kuita ndiko ruvuvudziwe, tina stanzi plate ndiko ruvuvudziwe.
Utobor plate ni mara nakare dzotofita nzvani dziyavava vathu vamzimu. Adzidifi dzofita nzvani. Utokedza nototsvakwa ini munhu kana niri nikouya vari anamba yatanzve plate nitosvipa zvedzi plate dzidomubhareredzi. It's really not nice nichivudziwa. So I'm thinking of it now. Toti kuenda vana muthu romantic ane kutoda kaneriyo baby vakachi something alinele usually. Nah, I think it's just black men in general. Are you romantic?
Hey, she catch a white man.
Chacha, ice cream date mloba.
Guy.
Oh,
you need to better guy.
What's up? I want to run a poster. Nandari ice cream date sharia liko pizza. I like, honey, so cute. What you post to as the views and I'm like, ow. She romantic. Na kuda nchimuni sana. Oh no, guys, come on.
No.
Not like that.
You know what I mean?
Africa ni munu tukana.
Uzwipa.
Oh, nano ringa kounu na Africa.
Africa is a girl.
No ringa
zakapu. Oh, ni azuri why?
Nano ringa milkshake. Na kuchinonga straw.
Milkshake unonga straw wafa.
No, I'm just asking.
Inu nizani.
Nando vana mtuanga. Are round the cocktail and ya hana bachi mudisera straw.
Ni Africa ma. Damage control.
Hey, uko to damage your control yongangi. Okay, Africa.
Nofangika podcast.
Africa re was another comment where it's not me.
Africa, was it you, bro? I said.
No, she knows.
Oh, she knows.
Or you went on a date?
Okay. How do you feel about using a straw?
How do I feel about it? I mean, ice cream or cone. That's what she asked.
How do you feel about eating a banana?
That's what...
Should we bring it? We can bring a banana. Let's see. No. A hot dog. A dog. I want to see. You know, I take it so serious to a point in it. If we got a restaurant in Amtuanga, they have a order cocktail because he doesn't drink alcohol. So those are the mocktails and they have sort of a show and they can like you. Or they are pink in a straw. It's not going to make sense to me. I don't know.
Is it the color of the thing of the
maybe aina color whatever. Okay.
Let me tell you about ice cream. I prefer sugar cone.
So nice.
Yeah, deep. So I'm like, dude, you're doing what I should be doing, and I'm doing what I should be doing, cause and then I said sugar cone, cause yeah, yellow ice cream just for the sugar cone.
Makes sense.
So I'm like,
man, go to a sense. So, those meds are Mike. Come on. The viewers want, guys, you want to see, guys, please.
Like, I
ice
always have
cream
that
on
thing
doing
in
ngomba.
mind. Eh?
Ice cream
No,
on
ice cream did all.
Karisumbeze tangi.
Ndiyakuyita.
Tangi.
Hayi.
Karisumbeze. Okay, aitenga bodolo la
Ndikoto
water.
itanta abe ndikoto edit ndakona yange kwethu.
Tanya, come on. The ice cream ke ulizana.
Yeah, so
LGBTV. Hurry.
yeah, so didn't know. Oh, yeah, they were now. Yes, Dr. Dojamba last week, too. Remember, 2 weeks back, Richang into Wilson Smokes, so that's where I got to know Uber Black, that's something. This guy's chilled, company, like, yeah, 1 minute, okay.
So chill.
Yeah, so I'm like, man, I like to get it. Oh, because first also somebody. Uber Black, ndio la mtu kanako album yangu mini if bapo mimi. I'm like, what have is no. Don't know chinya za zina la mtu.
I'm sure you were thinking Uber Black into this giant guy mungu ane.
Comes not even giant mara because ndio mona ka album art. Yeah, Dar es Salaam. Mara at least angaba achinga buracha wamba ngozibona ukuzba. So I was like, no man, elati. It's a chill guy. And you can drop an album yawe and chipping and rip for zawudi.
Because he's a chill guy. I love the if you put propaganda.
It's very nice. That's
very nice. I love propaganda.
Remember na JR I didn't really like that's what that is about the chao. Na from dugu. Ndi hapo enda romira JR ka DM na dude. Nko Rosa Street.
Yeah.
And then abana Masindi.
Masindi is good.
The street like
Ndio itechereza. So that's why
inatingo ifa ndi hela track to ina shebishita. I was like, okay, atko
ananyi
shebishita
Uber. Here's a song na shebishita.
I think uhonika track number 1 ndio ni netu ifa ndio ifa routine like reason we yalwanda and then habana imwe ana dombo ese
I don't even know who that is.
Yeah, real as in
who's dombo ese?
This other guy by Faith in each coverage if you faith in each coverage. Yeah, so I'm like, this album is good, and then I should stop this thing. Your album is over. The very routine, the quiet, and the album is shit and all that. Cause like no iPhone and all that. So I'm like,
nothing of her. No iPhone just let you but
yeah, the way to find punda Maria album is fistos. Kai IPF fistos. Nani the fair Dar es Salaam fit.
You should listen to if Aban to or what? If you mean.
Nah, I mean.
That
EP is shit. Yeah, so that was amazing. But maybe we should stop this thing or judge to like
no variability. Also with that EP, people were waiting for Dar es Salaam, so we'll get him because they had been waiting for
and then Kalba Miami's, what did I do? Didn't I give him and
stay the same. Stay the same. We stay the same. No, lefating Adobe. Stop playing, bro. Ujoliwa. Really? Mara I used to pray for the day richichata na rine. Komro pango ka music video ndi bride. Dido dana groom yanga. I'm the bride. Wona niwa bado jena bakore I'm not the bride. I am the bride. Hi. I am the one.
105. Damn. That's when kufunga na over 40.
See?
What else do I want to say before I close? Didn't this tendency was to draw important.
So competition here, August your parade.
How should we do that?
No. René win ticket.
Hey, we have how many tickets? Is it 5? Understand we Jindi
win for like the Black Squad.
Yeah, that's what.
Oh, Renaza 5 ndizo winisa. Oh, not Zashu zo Jen. Zashu zo winisa.
Renaza zo winisa. The Black Squad.
Guys, how do you want us to do it? How can we do it?
Be a subscriber, obviously. Follow all our pages. All our pages need to be on because it's just Instagram, na Facebook, yeah. Just it. How do you want to go?
How do you think we should do it?
I've been as mtu achamba so.
And the thing is rari.
Mtu anaenda kunyaga achia the match the criteria zinda kuziambana. Like,
No, but apart from that, we do have our people every single day when we drop. Top 5. Commenter. Top 5 you mention. I think those are support.
You just give it away.
Right as and we know we've had our people.
And in as much as like as both commenter akubona part ufimpocheta mashonja yapira
yapfuka
Ah,
bakomenta
bakomenta
kachipinga usumbedza uri vakuivona havala vona uri vaivona vamushumoni and stuff
nani opata mpuri sorry
yeah
chamba zvamashonje
avakusikori sorry ane
yeah so I feel like yeah artist sorry
ari winise bathu vasho
because
and avo bathu vaenda kwamba guys asi bathu vaendi vangana vasho there are people that just support us we know them ndiri namzi ndichijena ichi wanani
abana life with happy ufi life with happiness kana
life with happiness or all the time nefuthi ndayakadiye ndova one
about the comment you should be the one to decide how to yakuma ndiyabona
mpo will choose the top 5
you're going to choose the top 5 your top 5 my top 5 rateka vari common
very common right life with happiness abana mungono pfi what muhuyo mashayo I don't know
pola uri vangana ndovuya wenda ni mushumoni
I think so mara ndi vathu vane ngajena ka DM I see them every Friday they are tagging me and so those are the people that deserve it
because no one mushumoni nyafuna comments chanje chikunyaka comments yoro upfi oyindinyo romike apo zuna chihumi
so chikonor and no romike
ndonibudza
ndonibudza noibona you have no one I'm just like my nigga why
yeah. Oh and then also nachibisana chantuni chamukula drive twinchiwa 6 times china vana vangomu
mara guys ila trauma yene nikuisa basi ngomulindira atsasa mwe house no riyazi ngasitse musi
now ndikomblori avala vana vatori na childhood trauma
vatori vana childhood trauma which is real umulandi vakudzula ngaphandle washeliona ngamaropa guys
damn
imagine that shit is crazy 6 bullets
namna luckily just go gidima and chiva chato ficha kugidima stuck and then achitwinchwa cha lose control chawela
I just hope vana vango vaisara vala mara therapy
if vaisara the whole
arali vasisi wenga vango bathu mu baby mwana mu make sure mwana ukwizwa therapy for that thing because Venda people don't take therapy that serious mara unori mwana abone bullet now a back seat offer bullet za 6 obona malopa avala vana vachibviswa chitumbu chakadivanga ngomu ndi trauma it's crazy
yes ndozvona like what and ndakadvaka in situation mwe mtu odamwa lori mukula mini odamwa lori mini zvoitiwa mukula nozvibona asi amuri kuita mini
but
comment hoita mini
mwako zviko vavesa and you guys need to stop doing that
yeah like last year bore like why not this social media if
kana nasikodanariyo mbilu yanga iko vavesa kana sikoriyo RIP holobanyi Audio nozisiya mbiluni because you can't come namapunga singopelawo niva nikuri anxiety rinavago because we want to know what happened also ngamandisa nikuri zvikana nasikuri zvaitiwa kapunda Maria vabebi vacho vadzula ninge even we want to know what if incident you know involve so rizula rochuwa so just come with the full story if you don't have it wait till you have it
exactly yeah period. So guys and then
ardangane fair play ro recording yep
we'll decide nendikobia
but I would love to watch Oscar Mbo
nendikonyagoya
I want to watch Oscar
and then filming the last dance also Villa Clock Sundays is back. This is the last Sunday. One. So yeah.
With Murumba Peach baby.
Elana pia darela.
Na prefix. Imagine ukumana wana prefix kwa performer. Oide.
Prefix ikara za wanani.
Ngono miewe.
Wana adidi exactly. Maybe uko purwa rine.
I don't know but anyways rokoyo mubona yeah so the bareng is like we're shooting right game mar do roya anyways.
Yeah so guys.
Nampo do ba hone.
Mpo elegana mpo.
Hoyu.
Ugoya. Guy?
Last dance.
Ngasiya.
Na Le Royal.
Pronounces what? Le Royal SA.
Le Royal nje.
Yeah. So the one.
He's also, good.
You should leave your numbers man. Vathu vako kutoda fihe wapfa mini. Mwamuko.
What the mini?
WhatsApp zanga DM ndi vathu wapfa mini.
Vathu kutoda mini man. Are usi mazaza kana tikiti yezipin paint rebekash.
Okay. Hai.
Mara vamwe vati vava serious vakuda zvo serious van DM. Mara my handle is always there. If they want me, they can.
Vakanyaga dza WhatsApp. Vanchi vadiva zvifu vadova zvawa different ka zvine vanga.
Vadava vakutesana ka WhatsApp.
I don't know.
Aringa maliwi ngai podcast.
Yeah, but it's not like it's your wish after all.
Maliwa. Ndikutopeza no maliwa. I'm working on it. Oh.
Ndanga rivalanga 4000.
I am working on it. Avala mtu vakompa pulupelo. Vakompa pulupelo avala mtu zviko yaone. Ndokakirwa ngava mrahu. Avara vakodana.
Okay, hi, all the best.
We are also cutting. David Mashavela.
David Mashavela washiko so
David Mashavela.
Yeah, so that is studio chawo David Mashavela so now we out guys. You can
Lens.
Bye
guys.
Lens
See you
Up
next
Studios.
week.
Bye zero what.
Run the real bungee jumper. Going now. There's no praying, nothing.
Pray when you don't look down. Zana zakho phambili sokutshela ukuthi amikho umoya relax ungayicabanga lento le cime nje emqondweni waku having fun yena stand straight and siya phambili Okay, from 3 we start. 3, 2, 1, let's go.